since we just finished learning all the vocabulary, we're right, so we have the crab, the turtle, the jellyfish. What else? Shark. Do you need a hint? Okay, the whale and the octopus. Yes, so we have 6 different animals that we learned today. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make some sentences with them. So today we're going to talk about different sizes. We're going to talk about big and small, right? And we're going to compare some sizes of animals. And we're going to learn how to make sentences doing that. So let's do our first one. And here, we're going to talk about big. Okay, so all of these animals are big. We're going to read some sentences. They're very easy, so I want you all to help me. So what's the first animal? What animal is that? It's the whale. Very good. What's that animal in the middle? It's a shark. And what's that over here? What's this? The octopus, right? It's an octopus. Let's read about them. So first one, what is this? The whale? Let's read it. The whale is big. Nice job. Okay, let's read the middle one. The shark is big. Okay, and last one. The octopus is big. Well done, students. So we got all those read. Let's move on to the next one. So we talked about the big animals. Now we're going to talk about the small animals. Let's talk about the small animals. So let's look at the first one. What animal is this? It's the crab. So the crab is small. Very good. What's this next animal? The turtle. So the turtle is small. And let's read the last one. The jellyfish is small. Great reading today, students. Now we're going to talk about how to compare them. So we're going to have 2 different animals. This is when we're comparing their sizes. We're going to have 2 different animals and we're going to make some sentences. So what we're going to talk about is bigger. Bigger. And let's read it together. The whale is bigger than the shark. Yes. So if you notice, did you see those 2 words, than, the? I'm going to write it up here on the board. So we have than, the. And than, the is used to compare, right? So when you're comparing 2 different things, when you want to say something about 2 different things, you're going to want to use than. So I'm going to write it up here. TH, than, the. Than, the. Okay? So let's read the sentence again. Let's read it again one more time. The whale is bigger. You can even do this. Bigger than the shark. The whale is bigger than the shark. Now let's do the next one. Now we're gonna do this one together. You're gonna figure out what would we write for this one? What sentence could we make with this one? Okay, so we have an octopus and a shark. So the octopus is, I'm hearing it is bigger than the shark. Yes. So the octopus, I'm going to write it up here for you. If you want to write it down too, go ahead. So I'm going to write it up here. The octopus is bigger. I'm going to write bigger in another color so we can talk about that. The octopus is bigger. Oh my gosh. Bigger than, yes, we have bigger than, right? So we have than the, and the shark. Yes. Nicely done, students. Put our period there. So let's read this sentence together. The octopus is bigger than the shark. Right. Now we're going to talk about biggest. Biggest. And I want to read this together. So let's read it together. The whale is the biggest. So that's pretty much saying out of these three animals, the whale is the biggest. So the whale is bigger than the shark, and the whale is bigger than the octopus, okay? The whale is bigger than the shark, and the whale is bigger than the octopus. So the whale is the biggest. The whale is the biggest. Now I want to move on to talking about smaller and smallest. So we're going to do smaller and smallest next.